Hello there, welcome to Xfinity. In this video, I will show you how to fix MME device internal error in Premiere Pro. MME device internal error may cause your microphone or headphone to not work properly inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So in this video, I will show you two easy methods to fix MME device internal error in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's fix this issue quickly. Alright fellas, in this video I will show you how to fix MME device internal error in Premiere Pro. So this type of error occurs when you have not allowed the microphone access to the Adobe Premiere Pro, and in this tutorial I will show you an easy method to fix this issue of MME device internal error in Premiere Pro. So without any further delay, let us dive straight into the Adobe Premiere Pro and let me show you what is the error and how we can fix the error easily. Alright fellas, as you can see, I'm right inside my Adobe Premiere Pro, and if I click on the project that I was working recently, as soon as the project is loaded, you will receive the similar kind of error. It says that MME device internal error. Do you want to open the audio hardware preferences? So let's click on yes. And as you can see, the default input is my microphone, which is USB PNP audio device, which is not working, and in the output, default output, it is also not working. So in this video I will show you two methods. Either of the methods can work for you and you can try for both. So first of all, you need to click on OK, and you need to go to search in your Windows. If you have Mac, there is a method to do this, but similar to this I am going to show the tutorial in Windows. So for this you need to go to search and you need to go to settings, and once you are inside the settings you need to navigate to privacy and security. Once you are right inside the privacy and security, you need to scroll down and you need to find the microphone. As soon as you click on the microphone, you will see the microphone access, and make sure it is turned on. And also make sure let apps access your microphone is also turned on. And you will see, if you scroll down, you will see the let desktop apps access your microphone, and make sure it is also turned on. This setting is very important because if you enable the access of let desktop apps access your microphone, this option should be turned on, because the Adobe Premiere Pro and all other softwares are listed in the desktop apps, and if you do not allow this, you will receive the error of MME device internal error. So this was the method number one to quickly fix this issue. So let us dive us again into the Adobe Premiere Pro and let me show you whether this method has worked or not. I am again right inside my Adobe Premiere Pro, and you need to restart your Premiere Pro. Again I will select my project, and now you will not receive any kind of error. And now if we go to edit and navigate to preferences and hit audio, navigate to audio driver, and you will see the microphone USB PNP audio device is working now. And if you are still unable to solve your problem, there is a method number two. Even after changing the access of microphone in your Windows settings and still you are receiving this issue, you again need to click on yes, and it will dive straight into the preferences under the audio hardware, and you need to make sure the input and the output is selected to no input, and it will give you some warning and you need to click on yes. And for the output you can use your default output, like I have VG248, which is the output of my LCD. So I will click on this and click on OK, and now you need to click on OK, and this method should work if the method number one is not working for you. And that's it guys, I hope you like this video, and if your problem is solved, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notification at its first. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you face any problem, do comment down below. I will try my best to respond you as soon as possible, and in my next video I will show you how you can fix the no audio sound in Premiere Pro. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and have a nice day.